Hi, welcome to White State Media. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. In today's news, the Zimbabwean businessman Wicknell Chivayo, better known as Wicknell, has exposed in an audio why he didn't gift the Chillspot DJ levels with a brand new car after gifting his partner DJ Fantan.
Yeah, problem redu nedzungu too much. Ufonera Victor ma video call uvunza wafatara nemukuru ku speed ndei I don't owe you anything gashamari. Nditokutengera nemoyo wangu, so you have to keep quiet. Hanzi mgocho nopuwa nyerere. Zvinomanje watangaita dzungu data follow up wada tondibvunza how far did then you cancel the whole thing. Ngada wakatwana mota 2 weeks ago but mana wati kufonera Victor ukuvunza how far manazati amnani dzungu. I don't owe you anything my brother.
Thank you for watching. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.